Hello, my name's Paul Field, I'm from WFP. This hunk of metal that's sitting on the table in front of me is the EMS 5000 panel, or the EMS FirePoint 5000 panel to give its proper full name. This is a radio fire alarm system and is installed in churches and historic premises, anywhere where radio fire alarm systems were required. It's widely installed in the UK. Downside with it is it's obsolete. It went obsolete in 2013, and since that point it has been supported as far as repairs, but you can't add to the system, you can't extend it. So it's at the very end of its life. This is one, as you can imagine, it doesn't work because we've taken it out of a site. What we can do for you is talk to you about your options, repairing it, replacing it, upgrading it, and all the options in between. We've gone into more details about your options with this box on this page. If you want to know more, give us a call and we'd be more than happy to help you.